Okie dokie, hippity hoppity, we're gonna talk about an OR gate on my property. We have covered NOT, we have covered AND. Now we will be talking about, I can draw this. An OR gate, which looks like a spaceship or like, let's say, a cooler AND, and looks too, boring, I guess. Now, the OR gate is less picky than the AND. If you recall, the AND gate requires both inputs to be 1 for the output to be 1. In case of OR gate, only one of the inputs needs to be 1 for the output to be 1. So if either of them is 1 or both of them are 1, you get 1 on the output. So let's take a look at it. It's like that video game example I did. So if neither of the friends, A or B, think of A or B are, two friends, and the AND gate itself is the third friend. If both A and B are 0, neither of A and B want to play video games, then the OR gate is not going to play video game. So we have 0. Now, let's say A still doesn't want to play video game, but B wants to play video game. Then let me do this quickly. Now, the OR gate will be like, oh, okay, you know what? One of y'all is going to play a video game. I'm fine. I will log on and play with you. So we'll have an output. Now, let's say B doesn't want to play a video game anymore. Doesn't want to play a video game, but and the A input, wants to play a video game. Same scenario. The OR gate doesn't really care if both of them are playing. If either or both of them are playing, it's fine with that. So you can have a 1 on the output. Lastly, which is the, best case scenario, if both of them are playing, then the OR gate for sure is going to also be playing. So to recap this, we can come up with this truth table. A, B, F, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When both inputs are 0, the OR gate outputs 0. When either of the inputs is 1, it outputs 1. Either of the inputs is 1, 1. And when both inputs are 1, it's also 1. So one of either A or B needs to be 1 for the output to be 1, or both of them need to be 1 for it to be 1. That's pretty much how it works. And the algebraic representation for this looks like this. F equals A, and think of like plus B. And there you have it.